Ever dreamt of weaving melodies and orchestrating symphonies? With the dawn of AI, your dream of becoming a music director is now within arm's reach, right from the cozy corner of your home. Just a few prompts, and the magic unfolds. But before we dive into the how-to, let your ears be the judge. Listen to this mesmerizing sample song, composed entirely by AI. Let the music captivate you, and then join me to unravel the secrets behind AI-composed tunes. Stay tuned.
Saturday morning, start something new. Learn AI with brilliant and exciting avenue. Coding our way through the complex algorithms we embrace. Unlocking the power of artificial intelligence grace. Learn AI without eating in and let it be in. Diving deep in a realm where machines can think and spin and...
Let's just cut it there and see how to do this. Let's first go to Suno.ai, an AI tool for composing music with simple prompts. But before that, create an account in Discord. If you're accessing it through mobile, download the Discord app and then proceed and open Suno.ai. Upon opening the page, you'll see the option called Try the beta on Discord. Press that, it'll take you to Discord app. A pop-up will appear and ask you to accept the invite. Just accept it. Then you can see in the Suno channel, there will be so many servers created with different names called Chirp Beta 1, Chirp Beta 2, and so on. These are all the open servers where people who are testing and using this beta version of Suno.ai will create their music, chat, and discuss it in a group kind of environment. Let's just check what others are creating.
I have 3 baby bee raccoons that visit our yard at night, periodically.
Now, if you don't want to compose your music in an open server, let's just open any server, and in that you can see an icon called Suno ChirpBot. Press that. Then a pop-up will appear where you can see message button. Click on that to create a private server just for you. Now, to compose your own music, just type /chirp in the message box and then press enter. Now enter what type of music you need. And then if you already have your lyrics, just paste it there. Else you can also give a proper prompt to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a lyric based on your prompt and then click submit. Now wait for the lyric and the music created with those lyrics according to the style you have given. There will be 2 sample lyric videos generated. Listen to them.
In the darkness of these walls I stand alone. I'm under trial, seeking my voice, my freedom unknown. But every day I'll rise, fighting with all my might, defending my rights in this endless night. I'm a captive of injustice, running for the light, but my spirit won't falter in this relentless fight. They may silence my cries, but they can't break my will. I'll hold on to hope until justice fulfills. In the darkness of these walls I stand alone, and under trial, seeking my voice, my freedom unknown. But every day I'll rise, fighting with all my might, defending my rights in this endless night. I'm a captive of injustice, longing for the light, but my spirit won't falter in this relentless fight.
They may silence my cries, but they can't break my will. I'll hold on to hope until justice fulfills.
I liked the first one. Depending on which one you like, press continue and repeat the same to complete the song. You can download the song composed in MP4 format and then convert the MP4 format songs into MP3 audio files using any online MP4 to MP3 converter. Just use these audio files, which contain your own composed music, and use it in your own videos. Let's just listen to what we have created now. If you have liked this, please do like, share, and subscribe.
In the darkness of these walls I stand alone, and under trial seeking my voice, my freedom unknown. But every day I'll rise, fighting with all my might, defending my rights in this endless night. I'm a captive of injustice, running for the light, but my spirit won't falter in this relentless fight. They may silence my cries, but they can't break my will. I'll hold on to hope until justice fulfills. Locked away in this cold prison cell, fighting for my rights, a story to tell. Innocence fades, but hope never dies. I'm the trial warrior, reaching for the skies. I won't surrender, I won't back down. On this journey, I'll wear my crown. Freedom's calling, I can hear it loud. I'm under trial, ready to break the clouds. Behind these cold steel bars, under trial with a wounded heart, fighting for justice, a battle within, seeking freedom. Another day begins. All I'm fighting for our rights, my voice unbroken. In this prison where hope is awoken, through the darkness I'll find my way. For justice I'll stay and pray.